Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to solve issue when the LED lamps continue emit light when the lighting switch is turned off. So we have the situation where the lighting switch is turned off, but lamps continue burning. And now we turn it on, and now turn it off, and it's still the light is a little bit on. So let's check the lighting switch. So the light is off, and the LED lamps a little bit on, like a dimming. So there are two solutions. First one is possibility to change the lighting switch without a diode, and the second one to put additional load into just to replace one lamp for the halogen or to in-condition lighting. In my situation there will be a halogen bulb. So we took the halogen lamp and put in the socket. Okay, there is additional load, and as you see there are no light on. Let's put it on, off, on, off, on, off. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.